Hey everybody, Joel here. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour of a job site cook trailer that we're building for work. Have a peek inside. It's got a grill, it's got refrigerators, it's got a hood, a ventilation hood, commercial, and it's a really nice trailer. It's still under construction, but let's go ahead and take a peek at it, and then there's one little surprise out front too. All right, we'll start at the rear of the trailer. It's a drop down, got the drop down gate. So we've got some traction plates on there, painted the floor all gray. Right away at the back here you can see we've got LED lighting, nice strip lighting there. We've got upper cabinets. They just came from Menards. Got a big commercial refrigerator underneath here. We've got a sink over here with our soap and towel dispensers. A couple Master Force cabinets on the back here. And then here's our cooking station. This is the meat and potatoes of the whole operation here. I got a griddle and a full-blown grill along with a 2-burner stovetop with a commercial hood also. So this is going to put out quite the feeds when we get this thing on the job site. Looks like a Volrath, I don't know. Moving on here, we've got another couple Master Force cabinets. Oh, and then we've got a commercial sink over here, along with some stainless steel countertop, prep areas. Underneath here, we've got our water tank. And let's see, over here, we've got another water tank with a heater, a water heater on it. And we've got a microwave setting on this stainless counter. Back here we've got a box with our panel, electrical panel in it. The refrigerator is just sitting out because we're getting some wiring in for some more low voltage wiring on the outside of the vehicle. And nice, the front, the nose here, it's got a really nice butcher block, kind of a countertop area. It's just kind of an odd space because behind here is the generator and the propane tanks. So we'll take a look at that out front. But you can see the refrigerator right here just has to be pushed back in. And here's a view from the front. It's gonna be nice when it's all cleaned up and ready to go and out on the job site. We'll come out the door here. Up on the top, we've got a power rooftop ventilator for the stovetop, for the vent hood, I'm sorry. And then coming around the front, got an electric jack there. We've got some electric stabilizers underneath also. I don't know if you can see them under there, just to stabilize the trailer when it's parked. And in here, all of these doors have been custom built by a fabricator here at work. So there's the propane tanks. And then over here, oh, that's a tough one to close. And then over here is my favorite part. Another door. Well, let me step back and get a picture of this door. So that's another one. There's a side view. So it's a Hallmark Passport, the trailer. I believe it's 24 foot. And let me get this one opened up here. Here's where we've got the Honda generator, fuel injected EU7000. And this is on roller on a shelf. So that'll come right out. That is nice. Let's start this thing up and see how it sounds. Quiet. So nice and quiet. So that's just a quick tour. It's almost ready. We've got some other wiring to do, some low voltage wiring to finish up, and There's just some just minor items that are left to do, so we'll get those finished up, and maybe I'll get a quick tour at the very end of it all, and that will be that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all on the next video.